Hey, what's up, everyone? There's so much going on that I want to talk about, but I'm not gonna bring it all up for this video. We've had several things going on, a lot of plumbing issues, and got to take care of that sometime when we can afford to. And there's just also various emotional issues and things that I've been struggling with. I'll discuss that in another video. I'm just gonna do a sort of a vlog about the things that I feel like I need to discuss. But for this video, the topic of it is the big freeze, or at least very strange weather taking place. So nearly 1 foot of hail fell in Rosita, Colorado, while Mount Buller received 11.8 inches of snow overnight. They said that's the most they've received in 14 years. So strange weather events are obviously the new normal, and our climate is actually seems to be warming and cooling. So it depends on where you are. They said parts of Victoria have woken up to snow on Sunday morning after shivering through a brutal cold snap. This cold snap just happened suddenly, and they received a lot of snow overnight. It was the most recorded as the resort has ever seen in over 14 years. Unprecedented even for the resort. Meanwhile, nearly a foot of hail fell in Rosita, Colorado on Friday afternoon. As you can see here in this video posted to Facebook and Twitter, strange that something, they said, is very strange, something that they have not experienced in the last few years. Nope, that's not snow in Colorado, but it's hail. About 1 foot of hail that covered Rosita, Colorado. Now this was August 17th, 2018, and it was posted to Facebook and obviously Twitter, which is where I'm getting this video from right now. All rights go to the person that uploaded this, by the way. If it will play, I don't know whether the video is going to play for me or not, but I'm just going to keep talking until I know it will. Okay, this is it right here. So this much hail fell in Colorado just a few days ago. It's not going to play the whole video, and it's going dark now. So meanwhile, parts of Australia were woken to blankets of snow on a freezing Sunday morning. The Victorian resort of Mount Buller recorded the most snowfall ever in over 40 years. They said there have been reports of snow that they've been reporting in central Victoria and warnings for ice on roads. The Bureau of Meteorology issued severe weather warnings for damaging winds. Island conditions will be eased by Monday, but they say that it will likely stick around in September. The intense snowfall, check out all the snow. They said it'll likely stick around in September. So that's a lot of snow, they said, for Australia. Alright, another article. I'm not sure why they're reporting this as new, but unless it happened again, but 6 hours ago, as of right now, it was posted. A mysterious glimpse into the kingdom of heaven appears in the sky over China. So let me show you this on the Strange Sounds Twitter page. Mysterious glimpse into a city in the sky over China. In recent years, strange appearances have been reported in the skies around this world. Yes, sometimes ghost towns are now appearing in the sky. But could it be Project Bluebeam, holographic projection? Could it be some kind of a trickery? We'll find out. Maybe we won't, I don't know. But witnesses remain baffled even for years now, they said. Some are even terrified by these spectacular sightings, but what are these strange shadows in the sky? These shadows that you see here. According to the scientists, they claim these ghost cities that appear floating among the dense fog are mirages. So they call them a mass mirage, basically, that are naturally occurring phenomena in which light rays, they say, as I was going to state a moment ago, bend, they claim, to produce a displaced image of distant objects or even the sky. In contrast to hallucination, a mirage is a real optical phenomenon, a massive mirage anyway, that can be captured on camera, since light rays are actually refracted to form the false image at the observer's location. What the image appears to represent, however, is determined by the interpretive faculties of the human mind. That's what they claim anyway. This one happened a while back. One-of-a-kind mirage, an unusual, complex form of superior mirage in the sky. Sometimes they even seen giant people in the sky, so try to explain that. But anyway, try to explain that scientifically. A belief of these mirages was, they said, that often seen on the Strait of Messina were fairy castles in the air or false land created by witchcraft to lure sailors to their death. That was the stories from the past there. This was in 2015 that you've seen right there. However, there are some other hypotheses to these things, to these occurrences, to explain these ghost towns. Some say holograms from Project Bluebeam, as I just mentioned as a possibility before. A theory that claims that NASA is attempting to implement a New Age religion with the Antichrist, the final Antichrist, as its head to start a new world order via a technologically simulated second coming of Jesus Christ. Parallel universes is another possibility of a theory that's being put out there. Portals to another dimension opening above the Earth. That's another theory given. Mysterious experiments in an attempt to find or even create miniature black holes at CERN in Geneva, Switzerland. That's another theory that's been placed out there. But curiously, not only floating cities have appeared, but even more. Some have reported 3 suns, the so-called Eye of God, balls of fire, and now something so surprising that it can only be described as a glimpse into the celestial kingdom. So that was on the news a few days ago. 3 suns were witnessed. 3 suns. So think about that. And we heard about this. My parents and I heard about the 3 suns seen. But a bizarre cloud formation over China looked like celestial heavens, and that actually looks like giant angel wings there, if you ask me. But of course, only the archangels, they say only the archangels have wings. But keep your eyes to the sky. You could witness something totally crazy, abnormal, and completely baffling, they say. A sign or a glimpse of an incoming event. So when you think about it, though, these things have not been happening forever. I mean, I've never heard of anything like this, and now it's happening quite commonly, and they're claiming that it's a common occurrence or a mass mirage, a hallucination. I mean, come on, a bending of light rays. Maybe it is, but why did we not see it happening before, or hear anything about it until recently? So anyway, check out these videos. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check this out. I thought it was interesting. And red sprites were captured over France in the night between the 12th and 13th of August. That's a form of lightning, some sort of lightning. And lots of pressure is being released along the Pacific Ring of Fire. A magnitude 8.2 and a 6.8 earthquake hit off of Fiji, and another 6.3 magnitude quake strikes Lombok, Indonesia again. So that was 3 days ago. The Ring of Fire has been exponentially taking off in activity. And a 6.1 actually hit Costa Rica, while 5.6 magnitude hit Indonesia along the extremely active Ring of Fire right now. So in the past 3 days, we've seen skyrocketing amounts of earthquakes along the Ring of Fire. So I'll keep you updated on all of this. Let me know what you think about the mysterious glimpse or kingdom of heaven or whatever appearing in the sky. Let me know what you think about that, and also let me know what you think about the hail that fell in Colorado. 12 inches of hail on the ground looking like snow in Colorado, and the 14 inches of snow that fell in Australia, as well as the strange occurrences, strange sounds, and earthquakes and volcanic activity. Let me know your thoughts. Hopefully this video will successfully upload. This is my second attempt at trying to make this video. Hopefully it doesn't mess up this time. I've made several videos multiple times trying to upload them, so I hope it gets uploaded. Let me know. Please leave your comments so I can look through and see. Just let me know you can hear me, and let me know this video was posted, because I've got several things to talk about. I want to do a vlog very soon regarding just various things going on and just my emotions and things. I just feel like I need to talk, so I'll do talking in another video. But this video is about strange occurrences taking place in the world around us. But yeah, I mean, lots and lots of strange things. You can find them on the Strange Sounds Twitter page. I'll leave a link to that one article below, where you can also check out the others as well. It's an interesting website and Twitter page. So just leave your comments to let me know that you can successfully view this video. Peace. Bye.